Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 Brave browser high CPU and memory usage issue. First method is, open Brave browser. Click Settings, click System. Turn off Continue running background apps when Brave is closed and use graphics acceleration when available. Second method is open Brave browser. Click Extension, click Manage Extension. Turn off extension if any extension is enabled. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.